Hey everybody, I'm Joanna Davis.
And I'm Jelani Hopkins.
And we are the fitness coordinators here at the REC of Grapevine, and this is Feel Good Friday.
Today we're going to show you how to host a fun 4-team tailgate tournament.
First game we're going to play is Cornhole. Line up across from your partner. Each team will take turns tossing the beanbags onto the other board. Each team gets 1 point for each bag left on the board and 3 points for each bag made into the hole. First team to 25 points wins. You can use these simplified rules or use your own. Spikeball is similar to volleyball. After the serve, each team can touch the ball 3 times before spiking it into the net. One team receives a point when the other hits the rim, allows the ball to hit the ground, or the ball bounces more than once on the net. The last game is Lawn Tic Tac Toe. Each team takes turns attempting to toss their discs into a square on the board. First team to get 3 in a row wins. Be sure to alternate players between each turn. You can recreate this game using plastic plates or frisbees. This tournament works best with a minimum of 8 people, 4 teams of 2 people. Each bracket will have 2 matchups. The winners will play each other for first and second place, and the losers will play each other for third place. First place gets 3 points, second place gets 2 points, and third place gets 1 point. And anything beyond that gets none. The team with the most points at the end of the tournament wins.
We hope this was helpful. This is a great way to keep your guests occupied before kickoff.
We'll see you next week for
Feel Good Friday!